In this AppSheet hack, I'll show you how to stop users from submitting the same expense category on the same day. Imagine someone logs a food expense on May 1st. Later, they try to add another food entry for that same date. That creates a duplicate, and we want to prevent that. Here is how to fix it using a simple valid if formula. Open the category column in your form. In the valid if section, use this formula. This formula checks whether the same category has already been recorded on the same date, excluding the current row. If a match is found, the app will block the entry. It is a simple and reliable way to keep your data clean and avoid duplicates. If you found this useful, follow for more AppSheet tips and tricks.